Hey everyone, welcome to our Unity 6 install guide for beginners. Today, I'm going to walk you through every step from downloading Unity Hub to launching your very first project. Let's dive in. Go to unity.com, click on download, and then go to the next page and click on download for Windows or Mac or Linux depending on your operating system. This will download the Unity Hub installation file. Once the file is downloaded, run the installation and install Unity Hub. After the installation process, open Unity Hub. You'll be prompted to create a Unity account. Create a new personal account if you are just getting started. Unity Pro is only required if you're making more than 200,000 US dollars per year from your Unity games. With Unity Hub open, log in with the account you just created. Go to the Installs tab. Here you will see different Unity editor versions available for download. Select any LTS version that you want to install. Next, you'll see the options to choose components. Unity editor is selected by default, so uncheck all the other options. If you can always revisit anytime if you want to install more components. For the code editor, you can use VScode, which is much lighter than VS Community. The installation can take anywhere between 30 minutes to 1 hour depending on the modules you have selected, your internet connectivity, and your PC speed. Once Unity is installed, go to code.visualstudio.com and download and install VS Code. With both Unity and VS Code installed, it's time for you to create your first Unity project. Simply click on New Project in the Unity Hub. Choose your project template. Don't worry about the overwhelming options in this page. Just select any 3D or 2D and get started. The Unity editor may take anywhere between 2 to 5 minutes when it's opening for the first time, and it's completely normal. Now you have to link Unity and VS Code. In the Unity editor, go to Edit, Preferences, External Tools, then select VS Code as your default code editor. This ensures that whenever you open a script, it will automatically launch in VS Code. You can watch this video linked above to see how to set up autocomplete in VS Code for Unity. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Unity and linked it with Visual Studio Code. Now you are ready to create your very own game. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let us know in the comments that what game you're going to build next. Thank you and see you in the next video.